Hey there. Today I'm doing a chain pull and a chain swipe with ball chain. I'm going to put black on the background and I'll be working with cobalt blue and silver and white to swipe and then do a chain pull. Okay, I want to show you the consistency of this. Is the black for the background. I want to show you the consistency of it. If I can get a good spot here, just like that, flowing off the stick. So I'm going to just put paint on the background and I'm going to put it on with a comb. It spreads it really good and it spreads it perfectly. It's not too thick and it's not too thin, so it's just spreads just enough paint on the canvas for a chain pull or a string pull. Looks like there's a bit of Dimethecone in this paint. I'm using leftover paint because I can see right now that the cells are coming up. As soon as I do this, I will show you, I will mix one of the colors, the white, and show you how much Floetrol I put in it and how much water. So I'm just going to speed this up a little bit. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to pop any bubbles. Maybe. Looks like I put a little bit of Dimethecone in the paint. I've used leftover paint. It applies it fairly thin. It's not very thick at all. And it's just perfect for a chain pull, a string pull, anything like that. So all my paints are the same. I mix them the same way, and I'll just show you some of the paint that I'm using and their consistency. Here's silver. Here's my black that I just used. All this is leftover paint that I'm using up. This is cobalt blue. And I will mix the white on camera here. I'm using white Artist Loft Flow Acrylic. Oops. Okay. And just gonna open it. Whoops. Shoot. I'll put a little bit in the cup. Here I'm going to add some Floetrol. This is how much paint I have. Probably about 1-to-1, but the same amount of Floetrol as I have paint. I just kind of eyeball it. And mix it up really good. And then I add water. a little bit at a time. Just a touch more. Till it runs like this off the stick. Okay. I'm going to dip the chain in the white paint. And I'm not going to dip the ends in. I'm just going to fold it like this. Oops. And then the ends are in my hand here, and I'm not putting all of the ends in. Okay, it's only about that wide, so that's all I need to add into the paint. Okay, now I'm going to just pull it down. And I'm going to put this in the... I have a little bucket of water there that cleans off the chain. It's good to clean it off every time you use it. Now, because it will have black in it, I'm going to do it in white again, and I'm going to start from this side and go that way. So I'm just putting it in the white. I'm not taking any paint off of the chain. I normally run my finger along it and take some paint off, but I don't have to with this because I want as much paint on as possible. I'm going to stop there. Throw that in the bucket. Okay. So now I'm going to do the same thing, but with the blue. Dip it in the blue. And I'm going to pull again. I'm not going all the way down. Now the other side. I'm going to torch it a bit while the chain gets cleaned off. Okay, so now I am going to dip the end of the chain in one of the paints. I am not going to run my finger along. I'm just going to let the chain rest in on the edge here a bit, just to get the excess drip off. But I'm leaving all the paint on it. I'm not running my finger along like I normally do. So I'm just going to randomly add this to the canvas, just like that. And then pull. I'm going to dip it again. And pull it up. Oh, didn't want that to happen. This time I ran my finger along it a little bit. Okay, so I'm going to just put a few more blue ones in. And one more. Two more. That's it. I really like it. I think it's pretty cool. I did one that almost the same colors but a white background, and this is a black background. So, just give you a close-up. I really like it. So that's a chain, swipe, and pull. And I will show you at the end of the video of the dried results. So I'll see you then. Bye for now. Hello, I'm back. And my painting is dry. It dried nice and flat. Nice and flat, nothing crazy, no bumps, no lumps. And I will bring you in and show you a close-up. It's pretty cool. It's a little dark right now. Some of the blue is dark, but I'm sure with varnishing it will brighten it up and it will show a little bit better. But I like it. I think it's pretty cool. So there's some cool stuff going on here. I love styles in these string pulls. I know some people don't, but I do. I think they look pretty neat. Thank you for watching. If you like my videos, please click on the like button. Subscribe if you like, if you're new. And leave me a comment below my video if you have anything to say, any comments, views or suggestions for me to try something new. I'd gladly do it. And anyhow, that's it for the day. It's a beautiful day today. Just going to show you. I'm in my sunroom. It is very sunny out right now. Lots of snow. I gotta clear our skating rink, but it's a beautiful day. Nice and sunny. And it's warm in my sunroom for once. Okay, anyhow, see you later. Bye for now. Have a great day.